In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Dropbox to an external hard drive, copy. Before we begin, make sure Dropbox is already installed on your computer and the Dropbox app is open. You should see the Dropbox icon running on your desktop, which tells you the app is active. This move will change where your local Dropbox folder lives, so your files continue to sync just from a new location. It's also a good idea to confirm your external hard drive has enough free space for everything currently in your Dropbox. Start by clicking your avatar or profile picture in the Dropbox app menu. If you don't see it right away, click the Dropbox icon in your menu bar on Mac or the system tray on Windows near the clock, then open the profile menu from there. This opens a small menu with the key options you need. From that menu, choose Preferences. Preferences is where Dropbox stores all of its core settings for your account and the app on this device, including sync behavior and folder location. We'll make the change here so Dropbox can safely move your files and keep everything linked. Inside Preferences, navigate to the Sync tab. This tab controls how and where your files are stored locally. You'll see the current path for your Dropbox folder and options that affect which files are downloaded or kept online only. Under Dropbox folder location, click Move. This tells Dropbox you want to relocate the local Dropbox folder. Using this button ensures the app handles the move correctly, updates all internal references, and avoids broken links or duplicated data. When the file browser opens, select your external hard drive. You can choose the drive itself or a specific folder on that drive where you want Dropbox to live. Once you've picked the destination, click OK or select to confirm. If prompted, approve any confirmations about changing the folder location. Choosing a consistent path on the drive helps keep things simple going forward. Now, wait for Dropbox to transfer all your files to the new location. Do not close the app during this process. The time it takes depends on the size of your Dropbox and the speed of your external drive. Keep your computer awake, and if you're on a laptop, plugged into power. You may see Dropbox Reindex files after the move. That's normal. Once the transfer finishes, your Dropbox folder will now live on the external hard drive, and syncing will continue automatically. Just remember, for Dropbox to access and sync your files, that drive needs to be connected whenever you're using Dropbox on this device.